Hi everybody, this is Kyle with HomeQwik. Today we're outside of 28829 North Noble Road here in Phoenix. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property coming in at a little over 2,300 square feet. It's a nice, quiet North Phoenix neighborhood. Beautiful inside as well, so let's go take a look. Alright, we are just inside the front door here, and off to the left you've got your formal living and dining areas. A couple things left behind in this home. Big old mirror on that wall there. Mirror there. Immediately off to our right though, this can either be your first bedroom or a great office. If we were to continue walking straight though, it would take you straight into this wide open kitchen. Could be an eating area. This really is a large space. Definitely stay connected with the family here. And since we're so close, let's go ahead and take a look at the backyard. Beautiful views. Nice covered area here. Shade from the sun. Nice big lawn. Mountains in the back. Great place to come out, relax. Alrighty. Big pantry as well. Bedroom from the opposite doorway, and our garage. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Storage across the hall. Bathroom. At the very end of the hall, we've got our master bedroom. Huge room. Access to the backyard. Separate tub and shower. 2 sinks and quarters. Toilet in its own room. Here's our big walk-in closet. That wraps it up here at 28829 North Noble Road in North Phoenix. If you want to see this great property or any of our others that we have listed, go ahead and visit our website at www.homequik.com or call us at 602-792-5012. Thanks for watching, everybody.